This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Donna Turner. Charming craftsman style 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home nestled within a cul-de-sac. Open floor plan featuring updated kitchen with granite countertops, breakfast bar, eat-in area, and stainless steel appliances. Large open living area with custom stone gas fireplace and laminate wood flooring throughout. Primary bedroom with tray ceiling and full bathroom offering dual vanity, tiled shower, soaking tub, ceramic tile flooring, and walk-in closet. 3 additional bedrooms, full bathroom, and laundry room complete the second floor. Sizable backyard with newer privacy fence and 2-car attached garage. For more information, review the details below.